Hey everybody, today we're in a Volvo XC90. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip right mount number 855100. Before we get started, we want to mention you do want to make sure you install the mount to the vehicle before you attach anything to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now, this mount is going to be attached into the seam between this chrome piece of trim and the soft part of the dash underneath the vent here, and in between these two soft pieces of the dash further down. So the first thing you want to do is take your included gap opener and insert it into the seam underneath the chrome just to open that up a bit. Then you want to insert the upper angled edge of the mount into that newly opened gap. Then you can go ahead and remove the gap opener. Now we need to snap it into the lower seam, and you may need to use your fingers to pull on the mount so it'll stretch around the piece of trim down here. Once you get it over that little lip, then you can press forward with your thumb and up with your fingers so that the lower edge will snap into the seam. Once it's in place, you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.